So here's how to block certain content on YouTube on the mobile app, or maybe you want to see less from that content. So here's how you can do it. First, you want to open YouTube and then click on your profile icon. And then you want to click on the settings bar, on the settings button on the top. And then you want to click on General. And you should see an option called Restricted Mode, which helps hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. This setting only applies to this app on this device, so you can activate it to hide mature content and explicit content. And then you want to go back to the YouTube homepage. And now if you see a video here that you want to restrict, what you can do is simply click on the three vertical dots under the video, and then you can either click on not interested to not recommend more videos like this, or you can choose don't recommend channel to not receive any recommendations from this entire channel. It doesn't matter what video. So you can simply pick one, depends on what you need, not interested. And the last option is to click on the YouTube channel itself, and then go to the channel and click on the three vertical dots on the top right hand side. And then you want to click on hide user from my channel. And then you want to click on hide user. And that should hide or block the channel from appearing on your YouTube feed. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.